See, whenever we talk about democracy, a very common word, preamble, is there. And what is the preamble? Preamble is the constitution. Preamble of a constitution reads like a poem. It's a poem on a democracy. जैसे हम एक poem form में उसको बोलते हैं. We, the people of India, we are talking about ourselves, the representatives of the citizen of India. We are sovereign, means we have a supreme right to make the decision. The internal matters of the country as well as the external matter. So sovereign means when we have supreme right to take any decision of related to our country. Then the word socialist is there. Socialist is if when you are living in a country, you need wealth, you need money, and that money is generated socially and is shared equally by the society. It is the responsibility of a government that if we are living in a society, we have to be socially equal in the terms of social and economic conditions. When we talk about socio, we are talking about society. When we talk about economic, we are talking about wealth, the economy, the money flow in the country. Next word is secular. Secular, we have already done this concept in class 8. एक secularism chapter था where it was that we as citizen and as an adult, we can follow any religion. There is no government that can suppress us by taking or believing or practicing any religion. If I am a Hindu and I want to convert myself into Christianity, no government can stop me while doing that because I am an Indian and I am a secular person, secular citizen. Next is democratic. Democratic means we have equal political rights. Some of the rules and regulations have been distributed equally in the society, irrespective of your class, color, caste, religion, and all that. So, as an Indian, we are democratic. We are free. The government runs according to the basic rules, and we as an individual, as a citizen, have equal political rights. Then comes republic. Republic means the head of the state. If we talk about head of the state, we have prime minister, we have president that has been always elected by us or by some elected person. It is that position is not hereditary. जैसे kingship में होता था कि अगर king है, king का बेटा है तो उसको वो position मिलती है. But in republic, that when a country is a republic country, when a state is a republic state, then the head is only being elected. Then is the justice. Justice was says that if we are citizens, we are not discriminated on the basis of religion or gender. There is social inequality has to be reduced. There should be social equality. We should feel that we are equal. हम कई बार in a short level we say that, suppose we talk about in class that girls have been given much priority than boys. No, it is not happening. When justice is all around the country or the state, it means we are not discriminated on the basis of religion or any gender, whether we are girl or a boy. Then the word is liberty. Now this liberty is we should not have, and we don't have any unreasonable restrictions. What we wish to do, what we wish to thought, we can rely on. Our action depends on what we express. So we are free to express anything if we have a liberty to do anything. Equality, same goes for we are equal among law. We are equal before law. There is no government who can suppress us with by taking our कंसिडरेशन ऑफ जेंडर और कास्ट कि हिंदू हैं और हिंदू गवर्नमेंट है तो ज्यादा फेवरिज्म है, मुस्लिम्स हैं तो ज्यादा नहीं है, या क्रिश्चियंस हैं तो नहीं है. इट इज नॉट लाइक दैट. वी ऑल आर इक्वल बिफोर द लॉ. Then last is fraternity. All of us should behave that we are members of same family. No person, no individual, no citizen should feel that they are inferior. If we talk about small things, if we talk about our school, we should believe that yes, if we are love lights, if we are lovely lights, then this is our family, LPS is our family, and we are part of it. Same ways, if we talk about the country, if we are Indians, if we are an Indian, we should think that India is our country, is our family, and we are part of it. We are not inferior or superior. So these are all the terms, these are all the things that are there in the preamble when we talk about democracy. I hope it is clear, children.